How to fix Safari. This connection is not private. Error on iPhone. Let's get started. First, let's start with one of the easiest fixes. Check your iPhone's date and time settings. Sometimes if the date or time is incorrect, Safari might think there's an issue with the website's security certificate. So go to Settings, tap General, then Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. If it already is, toggle it off and back on again. That should solve the issue if the date was out of sync. Next up, let's try clearing your Safari cache and browsing history. This is a common fix for a lot of errors in Safari. Head to Settings, tap Safari, then scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Once that's done, reopen Safari and check if the error is gone. Now, if you're using a VPN or proxy, it could be causing interference with the connection. So go to Settings, General, VPN, and if it's on, try turning it off. This will help ensure there's nothing blocking the secure connection. If you're still facing the issue, it's a good idea to check if your iPhone is running the latest iOS update. Sometimes, software updates include important security patches. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it to make sure you're up to date. Another quick fix is to reset your network settings. This is more of a last resort, but it can help if none of the previous methods worked. To reset your network settings, go to Settings, tap General, then Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi and VPN settings, so be ready to reconnect to your networks afterward. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods has fixed the issue for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.